Tired of high fees and slow transfers when you're trying to send money to family and friends abroad? Maybe you've run into a situation where a traditional bank transfer just isn't an option. Well, what if there was a way to send money instantly and securely, directly to a mobile wallet? In today's connected world, mobile wallets are everywhere. They're a game changer for people who don't have access to a traditional bank account or simply prefer the convenience of managing their money on their phone. But sending money from one country to a mobile wallet in another can be tricky. That's where Paysend comes in. Paysend is a global money transfer service that makes it easy to send money to mobile wallets in dozens of countries. The process is fast, transparent, and designed to save you money. Let me walk you through it. First, you'll need the Paysend app, available on the App Store or Google Play. Once you've downloaded it and created an account, open the app and tap Send Money. Next, select the country you want to send money to. This is crucial because Paysend will automatically show you the available transfer options for that specific location, including mobile wallets. Now, enter the amount you want to send. Right away, you'll see the exact exchange rate and the total amount your recipient will receive. This is one of the best things about Paysend: no hidden fees, no surprises. The fee for mobile wallet transfers is usually a low, flat rate, which can be a huge saving compared to other services. After you've confirmed the amount, you'll choose the delivery method. This is where you'll select the mobile wallet option. You'll then be prompted to enter your recipient's details, which will typically be their name and the mobile wallet number associated with their account. Finally, choose your payment method, whether that's your own debit card, credit card, or bank account. You'll get a final summary of the transaction to review before you hit Confirm and Send. And that's it. In most cases, the money arrives in the mobile wallet within minutes, ready for your recipient to use. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.